guys, it is late. I didn't have time to vlog today because I went to the grocery store. My camera was dead. I had to upload videos from this camera to my computer, but somehow it wasn't in order, so I had to figure out what days was what, and that's how I was able to put my vlogmas up. Just posted the video, super late, so when you guys watch this, last week's video was posted up super late because I was just so busy. I didn't have time to like edit. I edited all these videos really fast, and I had to make sure that it was in order, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that vlog.
How you know the number 5 but not the number 3? That's crazy. Get him, Kevin. Rolling pin. Oh, it's a bird. Like, I want to play too.
I'm gonna tell everybody what happened.
He used his magic over there. Then my mommy pictured him a deal.
Who is that?
Me out.
Mary L. Good morning, or shall I say grand rising. It is Tuesday, and Mary Ava seems to have made her way right over here. My daughter said that she lost her Christmas magic, so she had put ginger and sugar like around her to give her Christmas magic because she hasn't been moving. So she moved right over here early this morning. It is super cold in our house, 64 degrees. Our heater somehow decided to stop working. I know, I'm gonna get her. Now our heater doesn't work, and it's 64 degrees in this house. Look at this, 64 degrees. Super cold. That's why I have a hoodie on and some socks. But I'm going to get the kids some breakfast, and then I'm gonna work out. I didn't work out yesterday because, like I told you guys, I didn't even have time to vlog, and I didn't have time to do much. Really, well, actually I did have time to vlog because I was so busy doing other errands, like I said, grocery shopping and all that, and I got to vlog towards the end, like towards the evening time. But today I do plan on working out, and Kimira's on school break, on winter break. She doesn't go back till the 10th. She doesn't go back to school, so that's going to be fun. And I still haven't had time to wrap presents for the kids, and Christmas is on Saturday, but I did manage to wrap a few gifts. So I do have one gift that I just bought at Target, and it's for Korra. It's like a little baby stroller, but yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. And Kimber's out here waiting. Look at her. She's waiting to come in. She's like, somebody let me in. Wait. Wait. Okay, come on. Come inside. Look, she has this thing where she does it. Oh, there. Now she comes inside. No. No. Good girl. Yes. I'm trying to teach her not to jump on me. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. All right, guys. So I'm ready. I know. I did this to my hair because I don't know. I just thought it was different. I know. I'll clean it. I'll fix it. About to work out. Yeah. About to run on the treadmill, and then I'm gonna do like some weights afterwards. Oh my gosh, maybe some jump ropes actually, because the jump ropes out here. Anyways, pretty much done with my workout. I think I completed 10-15 minutes. Whew. Who's that? Korra's just hanging out right here. She's literally just sitting here. I'm gonna hop myself on the treadmill and do just a walk, I guess. So I'm just put 3, the incline's on 3, and I'm just gonna go 3. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. And I'm super tired, but not that tired where I can't get on the treadmill. All right guys, so I just finished running. I did almost about 10 minutes of running. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. The speed wasn't fast, it was probably like 5.5. Thanks, Korra. Say hi. She got seaweed on her face. Say hi, Korra. You got seaweed on you. You gonna take it out? Yay! Shower. Since I did work, I'm gonna do more work. I bought this 42-inch crate for Kimber, but I feel like it may be a little bit too big, but I got it for her so when she grows up, there is a divider, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how to assemble it. Oh my gosh, I think this crate is a little too big. Oh my gosh, guys, I think the crate is way too big. It says large 42. It's for 71 to 90 pounds. Kimber is not even gonna be 71, 90 pounds. She's gonna be 41 to 70 pounds. So I should've got the 36-inch. I don't remember reading that on the website for Chewy. It's pretty, I divided it, but this looks like it's too big. Whew, I don't know. It's kind of too big. Place? Place? Yes. Good girl, yes. Good girl, yes. Good girl. So I'm back. We are on VLOGMAS week 4. I can't believe I've been maintaining my VLOGMAS. I've been keeping up to date with my VLOGMAS. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Is the water dripping still? And I'm going to work out on the treadmill. I'm about to turn it on. 6 minutes and then hit it to pause. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi. Kids are ready to do the gingerbread houses. Decided to just do it today, Thursday, because it's been a long time. So I got this from Target. They're so excited. Ah. Oh my god. They're way too excited, guys. It's too loud up in here. Let me get wax paper and some tape so they don't make a mess. Gingerbread houses were so hard to make. Show them the gingerbread houses. This is Korra's. Korra, show them yours. Cool. And then I showed Kamden's. His was kind of hard to build. Oh my gosh. And then Kimira's one. Say hi. Ooh, yeah, pretty hair. Turn around and show them your hair. Ooh, fancy. Korra, say we're gonna make Christmas cookies today. Korra got the baking soda. Tell us your ingredients, Korra. What is that? Vanilla extract? Okay, what's the next one you have? What is that? M&M's? Yeah. What's next? What is that? Chocolate chips. And then you have, what was that? Chocolate morsels?
I pulled out avocado. Guess what you want?
Avocado. My husband got the PJs on, ready to take pictures.
Give him a spoon or he just eat it with his hands?
We're making Chex Mix. Guys, I'm attempting to make Santa cookies if the kids will allow us. The next thing we're gonna put, okay, we put the butter inside and then we're gonna mix it. Hold on, Korra, let me do it real quick. It would be better if I had a mixer. I don't have my mixer. We gave it to Grandma. I don't have a mixer. You guys making Christmas cookies?
No, I'm gonna pretend. Cookies, give me that.
Round table.
I better not drop this.
Yeah, better not drop it.
Hey Levi, what's been your favorite video we've done?
Mom, do we have a Christmas? Like what we want?
Yeah, where's your letter? Hey guys, it's Christmas morning, right, Korra? Yeah, we're wearing our matching PJs for Christmas pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair and then we're gonna get ready for Christmas pictures. Ooh, I think I'm gonna just do like a half up, half down. Last Christmas I had my hair like in a half. Sorry, hold on, Korra. Whoa, that dinosaur is big. Merry Christmas, everyone! From the mixed way. Well, I'm just sitting down because I just got done baking. Right now, the mac and cheese is baking. So we have that. And then I'm about to do one of Korra's toys, put it together. I need a storage bin because there's too many toys in this house. Yes, Korra. Can you say hi?
Hi.
You had a good day today? Yeah, this is his. She just finished chocolate. You just ate chocolate? You had a good day today, Korra? What'd you do today? Did you open Christmas presents?
Oh no.
Did you have fun? You want to go put your toy together? Okay, let's go.